Hi, my name is Brian. Come with me on this journey of restoring my 1967 Ford F-100. Planning on doing a frame-off restoration on it. Some history on it. My grandpa's dad bought it brand new in 1966, so it's been in the family. It's worked at the lumberyard. It's been a transport truck when he was flying up to Breezy Point, Minnesota, for the cabin. I acquired it after many years of it sitting in a shed, as you can see in some of the pictures. So I took it to college and worked on it. Put front disc brakes on it, did suspension, put an Edelbrock carburetor on it, drove it for many years, and decided to do a fully restoration on it. History about me, you'll see in some of the videos that I'm limping or have my hand holding wheeled. I had a stroke at birth. So I'm hoping that these videos will show some kids out there that are going through the same thing I did, that you can do whatever you want when you put your mind to it. So plan for the truck is putting a QA1 suspension under it to give it coilover and power steering, a Termec T5 5-speed in it, get rid of the 3-speed, and a Moser rear end for future projects. It has a 352 in it. So come with me and my friend Adam as we start disassembling the front end.
It's going to slide back because it's on track.
Yeah.
Shit, we probably should have taken a picture of where they were at. We're just going to have to adjust it and we'll put it back on. Or is that the side? Does my side not adjust? Oh no, it does. Here's something we didn't figure out. Which way are we going to go with it?
That's a good question. If I move that tire and put it up just alone.
That will. Okay, I have one out. You have both of yours out?
No, just one.
Let's start the. Oh shit.
Yeah.
It's tight. My hand's back here.
You know what?
Well, I don't want this to. I guess it'll be fine. Can you go? It's, yeah. No, that's tight. Okay, my side is free. Oh, that's not too bad.
Just use the right side of the socket.
towels.
Yeah, probably should. Do that.
Uh-oh. You know what? I just do this. Oh, these are adjustable. Yeah, just. They're also can be adjusted.
Odds are, even if you marked it, took the pictures and shit, odds are it's gonna be all back. And
Well, but if I decide to replace these with the ones with the F, but they're like $400 a piece, or no, for the set, which actually isn't that bad.
it's supposed to, but everything's in. Obviously.
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah, I'm professional.
Well, sorry, we have a bad hand. Well, this is done.
Let's pull this back up. You need the radiator, dude. So expensive. You're rebuilding a classic vehicle, right? Everything's gonna be expensive.
I know. I know. Oh, I know. I mean, consider what I looked at for just the drivetrain. Okay. Okay, so let's pull three. What was it said? That's just nasty for being a year old. Ooh, that's what I was afraid of. Look, I'm gonna get new covers. Once we pull it off, we'll. Okay, so do the radiator. Can you scoot the bucket over? I'll grab a flat screwdriver. You can do it a little bit easier than I can.
It's not smooth. We'll fish that one out later.
What did we just do? We just dropped the screwdriver into the
Yeah, we've dropped
bucket
better
of
into worse. It's fine.
what?
We've dropped better stuff into worse.
True. Well, luckily it's cleanable. I have another fire screen. I do, but it's a
Gotta
short.
be one.
It's a short one.
Got this one too.
I don't. This freaking just slipped right on my hand. Goddamn Butterfingers. Oh, that's good.
screwdrivers for you. Hose it off with the rest of the tools. Just cool it.
Yeah.
It was out. We're good.
It's a little bitter. The new coolant is bitter.
Not sweet anymore.
No.
It ain't Kool-Aid.
No, they did that for dogs, for pets. They made it bitter. Oh, by the way, I didn't get it loose enough. Okay, so when we take this radiator out, we're gonna have to tip it back.
Eventually we'll remember where we put stuff.
Yeah, we have to take this off just to take the front end off. Secure some. That must be these two bolts.
Probably a couple underneath too.
Could be. Stay. That's gonna be gone because I'm not gonna have that work anymore. Might get. Yeah, like that was. No. Right. I'm gonna get the right tool one of these times. Maybe just give me the water pump and I'll paint it.
Maybe.
I'm gonna get new radiator hose because this is stupid.
Yeah, here. Yeah, don't stab me in the head.
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna kind of fall on the edge of this, right?
Hey, at least there's room for you to fall into. Oh, well, that's another problem. Good thing we have it in first gear because it would be rolling right now. I just set it on the top, on the, yeah, cardboard.
Cardboard drip tray.
Yeah. There shouldn't be much coming out of this one.
Yeah, probably just whatever's kind of just sitting there.
That's. Get this out of the way. Ow.
Work?
Yeah. So fun fact, you know why the paint's chipped back here? Because when we were putting the engine in with Hubbies, the engine went that way. My hand was right here. I moved my hand out quickly. Oh, it's probably worse than.
Is it the same size?
Okay, so where we're gonna put. Should I get Dixie horns? Should I get Dixie horns?
Oh, tree wood.
Trying on. I'm trying to think of something you could. I guess you could start on taking these off. Start working on the front a little bit, if you want. You can grab the screw gun out of there because it'll take a Phillips screwdriver instead of using.
Maybe we're screwing into this.
We put it up here. Oh, not that one. That one. Screw gun and the bits. It all starts because we can't take the fan out until we get the radiator out. No wonder mechanics back then had to cut up hands.
Just those two.
I was gonna say there's one on the side. Problem is the toolbox is in a bad spot. Oh, there's one under. There's one underneath.
Nope. Go get that low.
Get low, get low. Yeah, but they're not rusted though.
It's just no surface resting. Ain't no big deal.
What's the odd though? That I found the right socket.
That's the rock screw.
Yes, you know why? It's probably because many years ago.
They lost the actual screw. They're like, this one right here.
Yep.
Apparently they didn't do it twice.
I know when I put the brighter headlights in, it's like, okay, well that's.